Meaning of Ethiopian.
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 Ethiopian. Ethiopian refers to people or things related to the country of Ethiopia, which is located in the Horn of Africa. The term is derived from the Greek word Ethiopia, meaning burnt-faced, which was used by ancient peoples to describe the dark-skinned people of the region. Ethiopia has a rich cultural heritage and is home to diverse ethnic groups and languages. The country also has a unique history, having been one of the few African nations to resist colonization by European powers. Overall, Ethiopian culture and people have a rich and fascinating history that continues to attract interest around the world.